Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great news coming from Infosys. Now Infosys has started sending the mail for the test date. So those who has applied for the Infosys examination, so their test is going to be conducted on 9th of April. So they have also given the date. So a separate mail with details and link for the online test will be sent by Friday, April 8th. That means tomorrow. Test will be scheduled on Saturday, April 9th. And this is for definitely operation executive role. So Infosys will be also sending mail for the system engineer role. So I have not received, okay, so any confirmation from the student that they have started getting for system engineer role. But what I feel, the exam might be on the same date, that means Saturday, April 9th, or it might be conducted on April 10th. So you need to wait for the system engineer role. So you can see, so Infosys fresher recruitment talent at acquisition at infosys.com. The mail has come on April 7th, 2022, 10:31 a.m. So subject Infosys recruitment program guidelines and sample paper for the online test. Okay. So the mail has come today, just 1.5 hours or 2 hours before, you can say. And they have also given the syllabus: reasoning ability, technical ability, verbal ability, numerical, puzzle ability. So now the question is how to prepare for the examination, because once you miss the chance, you have to wait for 3 months. Within 3 months you cannot write the examination. So friends, our Infosys crash course 2022, okay, so our Infosys crash course is updated with all the exams. Okay, so the exams which had happened previously, the examination which had happened last year, so it is updated with all the previous question, and it is one of the best selling courses on online study for you. And how can I say this is the best courses, best selling courses? Because this video I had uploaded on 10th of March, Infosys result out, okay, so 6th of March, and you can see the comments here that sir, I got the offer letter, okay. And you can just go through the comments. It's really worth watching your videos. So friends, this is an opportunity, and you will be easily able to prepare in 1 or 2 days. So you can just go through the comments. So thank you so much, sir. So I know, hello online study for you, I got the offer letter, okay. So you suggest I applied for, okay. So each and every student has given the definitely the feedback, so you can also go through that feedback. And friends, do not regret later. See, 500 and 600 rupees is not a big amount, but you'll have to wait for 3 months for the same examination, so don't do that. Okay, so once again, so congratulations, you have been shortlisted for the operation executive role, hiring under Infosys recruitment program 2021 and 2022. And you do not know again when Infosys will start hiring, so do it before it gets delayed. The first round of this program is Infosys online test that will gauge your logical thinking, mathematical thinking, as well as English communication skill. So details of the 100-minute test will be there: reasoning ability, technical ability, verbal ability, and numerical puzzle ability. For operation executive role, there will be no pseudo code, but for the system engineer role, there will be definitely the pseudocode round will be also there. Okay, so you can access the sample test paper. So from here you will be able to access the sample test paper also. Okay, so this video also has been uploaded in the channel. So we have solved this question and we have already uploaded the video on our channel. Okay, so you can just go through that. So these are the sample paper, and all the guidelines has been given here. So friends, this is a wonderful opportunity, and if you miss this opportunity, you don't know when Infosys is again going to hire. So this link of this course will be given in description. Do not regret later. So you have already spent 5 or 10 lakhs rupees in your engineering college for 4 years, you did not get a job, but this courses will definitely help you a lot. See, I am not saying, so this is said by the student only. So either you see our videos or you see the result. So whichever result videos are there, you see the comment on that, so you will be able to find it out. And also please follow our Instagram page, because all this information we will be giving it through you through our Instagram page. So do not delay it. Okay, and get the course today and read it. Okay, so you have still have time. So prepare today, prepare tomorrow. Okay, you will be able to definitely read through that. So we have 109 videos, and all these videos you just have to watch. So you can see we will be having course content. You can just go here and you can see the course content. So we have verbal ability, we have reasoning ability, we have aptitude videos, we have puzzle videos. So each and everything has been mentioned here. Okay, so all the course content. So once you buy, you will be able to see the content. So you can also see here, so everything is there. Okay, so I hope friends the things are clear to you. So you will be getting the link today, and system engineer role also, everything has been mentioned. Get the course, the link will be description.